What's up? I'm Kenna and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to maintain superior sharpness with the Ninja Foodi NeverDull System Knife Sharpener. If you follow this sharpening routine every 2 weeks, your Ninja knives will stay sharp for over 10 years. Start by placing your sharpener vertically on a flat surface. Then move the sharpening slider to the bottom of the knife block. Insert a clean Ninja knife straight into the sharpening slot. Push straight down until the knife comes to a hard stop. Large handle knives should be inserted into the wide section of the sharpening slot, while short handle knives are inserted in the narrow section of the sharpening slot. Place one hand on the slider and one hand on the grip area. Move the slider up and down the sharpener 10 times. A slight click will be heard as the slider travels to the top and the bottom of the sharpener. For best results, ensure you're traveling the full length of the sharpener with each swipe. The upstroke positions the stone sharpening wheel, while the downstroke sharpens the blade of your knife. When you're finished, make sure the slider is returned to the bottom of the sharpener. Push down and hold the release button while carefully removing your knife from the sharpening slot. Make sure you avoid the sharp edge. Repeat these sharpening steps if your Ninja knife has not reached your preferred sharpness. Thoroughly rinse and dry your knife after sharpening to remove any metal shavings, and you're ready to glide effortlessly through your favorite ingredients. Repeat this sharpening routine every 2 weeks to maintain a razor-sharp edge. If you have questions about the Ninja Foodi NeverDull System Knife Sharpener, visit us at ninjakitchen.com and join the official Ninja Foodi family community on Facebook.